I'm a lecturer in coastal maritime studies here, so I teach anything from coxswains to Master 24 to Master 35 studies. That's a vessel up to those levels. I also do the short courses, firefighting, help out in that, sea survival, and a lot of other shorter courses that we offer. I started way back here in the 2000s, and I actually went to sea in the ocean going department, which is ships of unlimited size. I worked my way up there to second mate level, and due to a few life circumstances, I decided to change this career and focus more on coastal level. Worked in that for a few years, and now I'm fortunate enough to use skills in the ocean going and coastal part to work here at AMC. This is what I believe sets us apart from everywhere else in Australia. We've got a whole host of vessels that these guys can train on. We've got small little bar crusher right up to the bluefin, which is a 34.5 metre vessel, which we take the students out for up to 5 to 6 days, 2 weeks at a time, to give them the hands-on experience which they need. Then they can take that to the workplace, and so they're confident when they get there. As well as that, we've got sea survival pool where we can do all our safety at sea training. We've got a dedicated fire centre. We've built a facility here in Newnham in Launceston. We've got the Beauty Point campus, which is where our practical training happens. This is where we can do our rigging, our knot tying, the basic seamanship required to make you very confident in your workplace.
You're right to drop that right, please. Copy that.
That is what I really love about AMC. We're a one-stop shop for everything. You can come here, accommodations provided, your food and meals provided. We've got an awesome restaurant and cafeteria, brand new accommodation, and you can come here and do everything from every course you need, to start from a small little tinny, sailing that as whatever requirements you need, right up to a super tanker. And it's just a one-stop shop for everything.